there, stop! Warning, your big attention is required as your life is about to change forever after this video. Imagine if in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first Windows and iOS-based desktop video creator app that creates unlimited, jaw-dropping, high-in-demand videos such as stunning logo reveal videos, Hollywood-style promo videos, titles videos, teasers videos, special FX videos, countdown videos, YouTube outros videos, high-converting video ads, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, live streaming videos, and so much more. In 120 plus different niches, and automatically publishes them to our built-in secret 320 million buyers traffic pool that drives automated leads, sales, and commissions on complete autopilot. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, high-quality videos are always in great demand with a massive dominance over the internet. And that's simply because stunning videos capture people's attention 18 times faster with 20 times better engagement rate. And it increases the website and product conversion by 10 times. And to your surprise, the video industry is booming like never before. Here are some facts. As per the latest report by Forbes in 2023, the video industry is worth $380 billion and is expected to reach $572 billion by 2027. Over 3.5 billion people consume video content daily. Online marketers saw a 92% hike in sales after adding videos to their marketing game. Nearly 8 out of every 10 online purchases are made after watching the product video. And 82% of the global internet traffic came from the videos. Hence, there's no doubt why creating and selling videos online is the hottest business in the marketing world. And seeing this massive profit potential and limitless possibilities of the video industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, the world of video creation is not free. It comes at a premium price and labor. Top video creation tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro could easily cost you thousands of dollars annually, leaving your wallet empty. Or you'll end up paying through your nose to the expensive video editors, designers, and freelancers. But what if there was a better way, where you get all the top-notch features of any desktop video creator, flawlessly organized and bundled into a single app without spending a single penny? Introducing Vidzio, the world's first and only desktop-based app video creator app that creates unlimited stunning videos using our DFY 10,000 plus stunning video templates in 120 plus different niches. And the best part? It automatically publishes and sells these high-in-demand videos to our built-in secret 320 million buyers traffic pool while making you $272.72 per day on complete autopilot. Well, now it's time for you to unleash the true potential of Vidzio and take your video marketing game to the next level. Finally, with Vidzio, you can easily create and sell Ultra HD 8K videos in 120 plus different niches within a few clicks. Create awesome special effects videos from scratch with zero video or design skills. Edit our done-for-you 10,000 plus special video templates and produce videos in minutes. Craft jaw-dropping videos using our built-in studio-quality video themes. Transform your boring videos into scroll-stopping videos within minutes. Built-in high-quality background music tracks and sound FX library. Add voiceovers to videos in 180 plus different languages. Add special effects and transitions to videos and make them stand out from the crowd. Craft logo reveal videos, title videos, video ads, countdown videos, YouTube outro videos, and more. Create, edit, and post TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, YouTube videos with few clicks. Create stunning Hollywood-style promo videos and teasers. Start your very own video creation agency and charge your customers any amount you want. Import and edit unlimited videos from YouTube with one click. Render your videos at lightning-fast speed within seconds. Blast your videos to all social media accounts with one click. Sell unlimited videos with our built-in commercial license. Works flawlessly on both Windows and Mac. And the best part? You can get all this done within minutes with just a few easy mouse clicks. Now, with Vidzio, you can cancel all your expensive video editing tools and services, craft stunning videos with zero video editing skills, and start your very own video creation agency, charging your clients anything you want. Well, Vidzio is the new age revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a template. Choose from our 10,000 plus DFY stunning video templates. Step 2, add special effects. Transform your videos by adding special transition effects and themes to the videos. Step 3, sell and profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand videos to our built-in 320+ million buyer traffic pool while banking $272.72 per day on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create and sell jaw-dropping high-in-demand videos in less than 2 minutes? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to Vidzio just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. Then don't delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Vidzio at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.